We've travelled to MacFab in Birkenhead on Merseyside, and they've invested in not one but two Dugard machines. But it's not so much about the purchase today, it's more about how, from an operator's perspective, successful these machines have been. Now, Jay, I know you're working on both machines.
Yeah.
This is the one you were originally looking to buy, but let's start on the Dugard 1000E machine.
Sure.
So how are you getting on with this machine?
Okay, not too bad. I really enjoy working on it, to be honest. We've been making this part at the moment, which on the older machines I would have had to program each line and rad as a separate item, whereas on this I can just draw a single contour and the machine pretty much programs the rest itself.
And so basically the programming for you has been so much quicker than previous methods.
Yeah, definitely. I've had 16 years out of the job and only came back into engineering sort of in the last 12 months.
Yes.
And the speed at which I've been able to pick up the conversational programming in comparison to the G-code programming, it's so much quicker, so much easier. Yeah.
And any other features on this particular machine you like?
It's got good access both sides, got extra storage, which is handy for keeping door keys for the safety locks on the side. Extra little storage pockets everywhere. It's it's a good little machine.
You're really enjoying using it, aren't you?
Yeah, definitely.
You are.
Yeah.
Modern day machining, and the fact that you've had some time out from it, and then now you're using machines that are as new as this one. So this is the Dugard 1100. You've got a larger table in both the X and the Y axis.
Yeah.
You've kind of made a bit of a jump because that's not touchscreen, but this is. So how are you finding that leap?
It's I'm taking my time with it. Like I say, I'm used to that machine. This one's taking a little bit of getting used to. There's a few changes. Buttons are in slightly different positions, but as I'm picking it up, it's getting easier.
And what are you putting on here? Because I know you've got double work holding on here now, two vices, but you've also got fourth axes.
Yeah, well, this part we did originally on that machine, and we had to do sort of 4 or 5 different ops. But now with the fourth axis, we're able to do it pretty much in 2 ops now. So it's made the whole programming thing a lot quicker.
So from an operator's perspective, what do you like about this machine as a whole? And are there any differences, again, to the access and everything?
The access is actually easier. You no longer need a key for the outside doors, so it's a lot quicker to get in.
The power of the spindle?
Spindle's powerful, so you can machine harder materials, and the tool change is slightly quicker as well.
Brilliant. So, as an operator, what do you like about working at MacFab?
Well, mainly I'm pretty much the only CNC machinist here, so all the programming and machining is down to me, so I'm getting to work on so many different parts.
I know you've made quite a lot, you've produced a lot of programs recently, haven't you?
Yeah, quite a lot.
How many?
Probably over 100 programs in the last sort of 4 or 5 months. And like I say, for me to do that on older machines would have took me so much longer.
So you're very happy?
Yeah, definitely.